Today we're going to cover 4 different food spots in Tokyo, some delicious, some not so much. We even order food from Uber Eats, so keep watching to the end to see how that turned out.
We're in Ginza right now, walking around fancy department stores.
Pretty cool. They closed down the entire street.
Yeah, on the weekends.
Oh, on the weekends only?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. But yeah.
We just came from TeamLab Planets. It was really crazy. It was really nice.
So neat.
Super immersive.
What was your favorite exhibit? Artwork.
I like the koi pond a lot.
The koi pond?
Yeah. The one where you
Oh yeah, where the water was all lukewarm and it made me feel kind of uncomfortable for some reason.
Yeah, made me want to pee.
Yeah.
What was your favorite?
I mean, the LED one is always a crowd favorite, you know?
Yeah.
And it just makes it extra special because there's mirrors on the ground. But I do like the hanging flower one.
Yeah.
Yeah, that one's really cool.
Favorite.
Yeah. Stand over here so I can hold it with my left hand. So that was your second favorite.
Yeah.
But no, it was really cool. They require you to take off your shoes, like even your socks, because there's some artworks where they have water and you have to be in water. But I think it was different. It was different than the borderless one, but I liked it. How much was it to get in?
20 bucks.
$20 a person. Yeah. But now we're just gonna kind of want to buy some long sleeves because it's actually really cold and mostly packed for humid weather in Vietnam and Thailand. So yeah, not very prepared. Waiter.
The Izakaya that we found, it's under a bridge and it's supposed to be pretty dope. So this is their chicken wing gyoza. It's like their specialty. There's like a whole chicken wing wrapped.
How do they stuff this?
Very carefully.
Can you see? These asparagus are so huge. Glass full of clams. Hope it actually has meat. This is really good. Okay, dip it in the mayo. So good. Dude, this thing is huge. It's okay.
她长得好漂亮，我多看了2眼。
I think vinegary too. You can make your dreams come true anywhere, because that's the owner right there, Andy. They didn't have kani miso here, so I feel like we're still on the search for it, but it's okay. It's really good. They don't regret coming here at all. The ambiance is really cute. It's just under a bridge. If you can see, it's like arched. Yeah, I don't really have a favorite. Like everything is equally delicious. Yeah. Let's cheers first.
Cheers.
And we'll see you outside.
So this is how you order from the iPad. And you can select English.
Oh yeah, earlier they let me select English. And oh, here, in case you're wondering what languages there were: Korean, Chinese, oh, simplified Chinese, and Japanese. I guess that's what I don't know. Gentiz, yeah.
Ooh, yeah, that's the one. Kani crab miso.
Just get 2 of them.
Order complete.
So this is what we ordered. Yummy.
in here?
They actually gave us some apps. It's like a anchovy or sardine. I'm not really sure what they look like, but and
It's fish cake.
fish cake and it looks like a mochi. As a free app. Oh wait, here you go.
This is legendary crab head miso. It's so good.
Oh sheesh. I can't.
Soy sauce butter.
Oh, soy sauce butter. Okay. These scallops are cute. I wonder what it looks like on the inside.
Look at this. Burnt ass are good.
I don't think you can see it.
This is the
Eggplant.
That's gross, right?
Is that how you remembered?
So fucking good. Maybe take this off.
It's a big reveal. Beautiful. What did you order?
This is like an intestine stew with tofu in it.
It's giblets.
Giblets, yeah.
No.
So you know when you buy a turkey or a chicken, and there's like things in the cavity that you usually don't know what it is.
Yeah, they're in these like bags, right? Individually wrapped. You're supposed to remove it before you even cook the turkey.
Yeah, a lot of people like white people usually throw it away, but us Asians we like to eat it.
Nothing goes to waste.
Make it into like a stew like this. There's like hints of ginger in there to kick the funk. But they cook this down for a long time. You can tell.
That's what a
like,
stew is, right? You cook something down for a long time, like 2-3 hours.
Yeah,
or more.
But it's so good. It's so thick and amazing.
Okay, you can eat it for us.
That was an intestine. It was so good.
So good. You actually like this? Yeah, that's good. I'm glad you got it. So yeah, we experienced our first earthquake in Japan yesterday. I didn't know it was happening, but Michael felt it first, and he said, "Oh, it was an earthquake." Just ever so calmly, like it was just like, "Oh look, that's a wall." That's how calmly he said it. And then at first I was kind of in disbelief, but I felt it, and the door was kind of shaking and making noises. And then I was like, "Oh my god, do we need to get under the table? Are we supposed to run outside?" But then I realized that I think most buildings here, we're in a pretty modern building, so I think it's been retrofitted for seismic activity. Thankfully, and even after the check here, bill confirmation. Our bill came out to be $26.44 US, and that's worth it.
Super worth it here.
Because I feel like those giant scallops that we got would have already been like $8 a piece or something. Each, yeah.
They're huge.
That's
And they're
good.
fresh too. They're not frozen. The oil again, it stays are frozen.
Yeah.
Oh shit.
Oh my god.
I dropped all my shit right now. So she said you put that sauce into the sauce.
Okay.
And it makes this sauce. It's like whatever.
Amy, so look at these ears that Michael got me.
Who cares? Just eat it. Oh, that's cool too.
Everybody cares.
I want to eat it. Can you eat it so I'm going to stop recording?
Okay. Also, I'm kind of drunk, but look at that bread. Oh, hi.
This is my last order. Do you want to order something?
No, no more. Thank you.
I think that's it.
Oh, maybe you? You want something else? Okay. That's so good. Damn, this is oily.
I think that was the best thing. Very delicious.
Okay.
Oh, wow, this is good.
Dude, I love yellow color or whatever.
I'll put it in that shit.
Oh my god, it's so drunk. Give me. So, I'm about to eat all this. I don't know what I'm doing. No. I don't know what we're doing. Oh my god. Hey, look at this thing.
It's all the good shit right here. What?
Yeah.
So we just ordered Uber Eats. This is a gyudon place. Got extra side of beef. This is the oyakodon with the beef. Juliet got the...
This is thigh meat, chicken thigh meat with curry.
Wait, they didn't give you any rice? What the hell?
Oh,
It's fine, you can eat some of mine.
okay. The soup has tofu, it has carrots, onions, green onion, and it has lotus root. Look. And then also a fish ball.
Nice.
Wow. And like random slices of.
This is our pre-meal before we go to Omakase right now. It's kind of bland. I would not recommend.
But it got a lot of good reviews.
Okay. Yoshino is actually better than this. Maybe this piece of meat is better, huh?
That's better? Way better? Wait, why is the one here? Oh, oyakodon is not that good. Maybe they try to add salt.
Ooh, doo-doo.
What did you say? Doo-doo?
We're kind of hungover right now. That's why we didn't go out because we got all drunk at Disney Sea yesterday. If you come to this place, only order the gyudon. Curry was whatever's.
Hello. Yeah. I feel like the soup is a spot for me. Is it worth visiting? Probably not, right? That's what you said? That was it.
I would skip it. That's a no for me, dog.
It's a no for